What's up, you guys? Welcome back. My name is Carson Rouse here with Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be talking about the stock of Royal Caribbean Cruises. We're going to give a little analysis on them and talk about some recent news. I just want to make a quick video about this because it's just such a hot topic, and I'm sure many of you may want to jump on and invest, and I just want to give you guys some general advice and research that I've put into it. Please comment down below, though, if any of you guys own this stock or your opinion on the cruise line industry as a whole right now. However, before we get into it, make sure you guys go down and click that like button. It really helps us out. Click the like button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get into the video. So first, let's start off with some stock information. Royal Caribbean stock, ticker symbol RCL, is down 70% since the beginning of the year. The cruise line industry is just terrible right now, and Royal Caribbean is definitely no exception. They're sitting at around $37 a share right now, when they used to be selling for $134 a share just a few months ago. In their year-end December 2019 earnings report, they said, as previously announced, the virus and the efforts to contain it are expected to negatively affect our results. While we expect this to be temporary, the situation is highly fluid and the overall impact cannot reasonably be estimated at this time. Accordingly, our guidance does not include any provision for the impact of the outbreak. In a nutshell, it's pretty obvious to me that they were underestimating this virus back in December, but it's really caught up to them now. Just take a look at their revenues and stock price. The no cruise order set in the US is currently for July 24th. No cruises until July 24th. And to be honest, to be brutally honest, I don't even think that will stand. It's probably going to go to an even later date. The only way for this no cruise order to be removed and people to start going back on cruises again is if this virus is no longer considered a public health threat. Good luck. With how cautious our government is being, I really don't see this as a real possibility for them to open back up cruises. Just doesn't seem realistic considering. Regardless, even if they do open back up, you gotta keep in mind that the main demographic of a cruise rider is the elderly. And the elderly, being the most susceptible to this illness, are going to feel really uncomfortable stepping on a public cruise. Even after this is considered no longer dangerous or as dangerous, people are still going to be scared, and the elderly are going to be staying home. As a study done by the CLIA, the median age of cruise riders have been found to be in their 60s. This also happens to be around the median age of the most people affected by the virus. So obviously things aren't adding up well for cruises. Royal Caribbean will also need to be lent money to stay alive. At the end of December, they reported having less than $250 million cash on hand, and it's probably even less now. Considering that they have 77,000 employees, they are digging deep into their cash to make some sort of payroll. Of course, this means that they're going to have to take out loans, and the interest rates that they're going to be getting on these loans are going to be pretty bad. Another thing that in the long-term outlook is not good for Royal Caribbean. Just to add insult to injury, a crew member of Royal Caribbean got the virus and died, and now their family is suing the company. This is just not going well for them, is it? Before all this bad stuff started happening, though, this was a pretty solid business. Last year in 2019, they profited over $2 billion. They also had plans set in place set to double their profits in the next year. So once they get back on track, or should I say back on the seat, they should be looking pretty well. In conclusion, it's a very risky stock to invest in right now, so I personally would not recommend it. They have a very high chance of filing for bankruptcy. However, if you already owned shares before this major dip, I would hold on because you've already lost so much of your investment that you may as well hold on to it. Not to mention, this could be the investment of a lifetime. You could end up making tons and tons of money if you invest right now, but there's also a good chance you go bankrupt, son. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick video of Royal Caribbean stock analysis, whether you should buy it or not. Again, comment down below what you thought of this analysis, whether you think it's a buy or whether you want to stay away from it. Anyway, you guys go down, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications if you haven't liked, do it now, and I will see you guys in the next Business Buzz video.